Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise the previous one. Which letter is this? Letter S. Letter S. Now which letter is this? Letter A. Letter A. Okay, now it's time to start the third letter of first group, letter T. Let's start with a short story. Tim and Tom were watching an important table tennis game on television. When the match began, the two players hit the ball and the sound like the people in the crowd turned their heads side to side watching the tennis ball. Yes, the sound of letter T is and the action of letter T is. Okay, now let's see how to write letter T on red and blue line. Letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Okay. Now listen the words corresponding to the picture. What's this? Teddy bear. Teddy bear. What's this? Tortoise. Tortoise. What's this? Tennis racket. Tennis racket. What's this? Sun. Is it related to letter T? No. So we cross out the picture. Now play it with me. At. Set. Set. Now let's sing a song. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with another letter. Till then, bye.